Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how I make my chicken jerky. I buy boxes at a time of chicken thighs. I get them at my local restaurant depot. These were on sale for 98 cents a pound. So even with a little bit of shrinkage, you're figuring $1.50 for a pound of chicken jerky. You can't beat that deal. So I grind up half. I bought 2 boxes, 40-pound boxes. I'm going to grind 40 pounds, and I'm going to wrap 40 pounds, just whole, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, because I'm just going to pass it up. Like I said in the comments here, I send it through one time with a fine grind plate. You send it through twice, you're just not going to have any consistency at all. It's just going to be so mushy. It only took me maybe 20 minutes to grind it all. Wrap up half of the ground chicken. I put it in my stuffer, actually. I filled up bags. I'm making some for some coworkers and friends, so I'm not taking all this 80 pounds myself. And I have my new Cosori Dehydrator. Since my other one was out, I had a Nesco that lasted a few years, but now I have this Cosori, so consider this a review also. It handled the chicken just fine. I also have some fruit in it as we speak, and that looks like it's turning out to be great too. It's driven by a fan that's really quiet. It's like a convection oven, but a dehydrator, so it keeps everything kind of uniform for the warmth. I liked how quiet it was. I liked how many trays you can put in there. So with my 2 things I've done in there so far, I really do like it. If you want to see the recipes I use in my chicken, just check out my page. I have a lot of my recipes and how-tos, but I just thought I would share this as I'm using my dehydrator for the first time. And the chicken jerky turned out really well. You have to mix it really good, and it keeps it all solid like that, like it's one piece of meat. So that's one trick I can show you in some other videos. And here I'm taking it out and I'm giving it a good snap to show you how well it did. But thanks for watching, and I appreciate it. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys soon.